Time story. Long ago, there lived a white-bellied green pigeon on the bank of a lake in a forest. The pigeon lived with its family, which consisted of its wife and 2 children. Quite distant from the lake, there was a village where a hunter lived with his son and wife. The hunter used to leave home early morning and searched for animals and birds whole day. By evening, he used to return with his prey, which consisted of rabbit, hare, tortoise, different birds and sometimes animal as big as deer. The family lived happily. One day, he was not feeling well and got up late. When he saw the watch, it was showing 7 a.m. Generally, he used to get up 2 hours before. He got ready soon. As he was about to leave, his son requested to take him for hunting. The hunter was not willing to take him as he was young. But the boy persisted, and the unwilling hunter had to accede. They left 1.5 hours after hunter had got up. It was not only a bad day to start, they did not get anything till the sun was overhead. Not even a rabbit did we get, said father to his son. Let's go near the lake. I often get turtle or large fish, he continued. But luck was not with them. They found a boat there. They decided to cross the lake and try in the forest. The lake was very big and it took lot more time than anticipated to cross it. He took out the watch, which was showing 4 p.m. The hunter was tired and the boy was feeling too hungry. Returning was not a possibility till they had taken some rest and had some food. Hunter tried for another hour but did not get anything. In the story so far, we saw hunter roaming in forest from morning till evening. Let's understand time-related metrics. What is AM and PM? We have midnight followed by noon or midday and then the following night, that is midnight. From midnight to noon or midday, it is AM. And from midday to midnight is PM. The hours between midnight and noon is 12 hours. And the hours between midday and the following midnight is 12 hours. What is AM and PM? AM stands for anti-meridian and PM stands for post-meridian. Anti-meridian means before noon in Latin, while post-meridian means after noon in Latin. Happy learning!